Okay, so now that we have all of the senior rubrics and each file name is the kids' names, and these are all ready, I need to extract the URL, the link, for each one of these files, because if you move to the lower screen, this is from last year, and I'm going to be making, hopefully you can zoom in and see this, I'm going to be making this for the judges. So I'll have the kid's name and then the link to their portfolio submission, and this is their actual portfolio. And then over here is their rubric. So the judge will have the portfolio and the rubric links side by side. So moving up to the top screen again, now we've got all of these portfolios, but I need a list of the kid's name and the URL so that I can put it in that other spreadsheet that you saw in the previous video. So what I'm going to do is run this script right here on the lower screen, and hopefully you can see that, but I'll jump up to the top screen again real quick. So this is the script. This script will generate a Google Sheet that lists the file names and the URLs for all files in the single folder. So you just take this right here and you copy that, and then you come down. I'll move maybe I should move the script up top so you guys can see it. You paste it right here, and then you need to change the folder that you want to create the listing for, and then you need to name it because it's going to make a spreadsheet is what it's going to do. So you need to name it, and I'm just going to call this Senior Portfolio Rubrics Names and URLs. That's what I'm going to call it, and it's going to pull out the name and the link for every single file that's inside this folder right here. So I've got it all set up and I'm ready to run it. It executes pretty quickly, doesn't take long at all. So we're starting at 12:23 and 44 seconds in the morning because I like to work in the middle of the night. And it's just gonna run real quick, and then as soon as it's done, it will give us an execution notice. And when it's finished, it's going to create a spreadsheet with each of the file names, which happens to be the kid's name. So now it's 12:24 and 13 seconds, and it's done. So we'll just hop back over to, it's going to create to Google Drive. It's going to create a list of every name with the URL. And you're going to find it in My Drive. It puts it back in the main thing. So this is what it looks like. It's just a spreadsheet. There's the kids' names, and this is the link to their rubric. So now I can copy this information and paste it back into this list right here for all the seniors. I'll just sort it by the name, and then there's their portfolio link right here, and now I've got their rubric link right here, and I'll just copy and paste them side by side, and then and create kind of an index for the judges.